Hello guys, welcome to another Tech Matters video. I hope you guys are okay. And in this video, we are going to learn about data communication. So let's get started. So we are going to look at the three ways in which data communication happens. So the first one is simplex communication. Second one is duplex, half duplex communication, and third is full duplex communication. So what is simplex communication? So this is one way in which data communication happens. Simplex type of communication is where data flows in one direction and doesn't need to wait for a reply. And a good example of such is a radio. When you're listening to a radio station, the radio presenter who give you programs, and he won't wait for you to give him feedback. Therefore, that's simplex type of communication. It's just one way. The next type of communication is half duplex. Half duplex is a type of communication where data flows in both directions but not at the same time. So this type of communication does not happen simultaneously, which means doesn't happen at the same time. One has to wait, receive, and then give a feedback. And lastly, full duplex communication is where data flows both ways. Data flows in both directions at the same time, and an example of it is a telephone. We all have been in a situation where we are on phone and someone is telling us something, but we get to distract them or maybe chip in. That type of communication is full duplex because both parties are able to communicate at the same time. Therefore, this is what I had for you in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and tell a friend. Take my days. Peace out.